This video captures Polly the parrot's first encounter with a colorful puzzle board. With a curious gaze and playful flaps, she gingerly pecks at the pieces, trying to discover their secrets. Her antics include flipping a piece upside down and squawking in surprise, creating an amusing cacophony. A few seconds later, Polly's expressive eyes light up as she triumphantly places a piece correctly, followed by a joyous head bob. The hilarious contrast of her puzzled expressions and sudden victories promises both intrigue and laughter. In just 50 seconds, viewers will witness an unexpectedly entertaining parrot's adventure.